So welcome to H-QTV. So here is Tapswap cinema code for the 4th of October. Code for Instagram Reels. So it's going to be laugh all through in small letter. Make sure that you watch the video first. So I'm going to come back to the second video, that is token 24/9 Singapore Alight part 2. Going to click on check finish mission. I'm going to claim like that. So selling CANVA is going to be, the code is going to be minor all through in small letter, so like this. So the last video is going to be this part 1 of token 24/9 Singapore Alight. I'm going to click on check, going to click on finish mission. I'm going to claim. So that is all for today. I'm going to see you my next video. Thanks for watching my video. Peace.